Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive maintenance with a focus on oil filters. And let me tell you, folks, we've got a real gem for you. If you're a car enthusiast like me, you know the importance of proper engine care. And one crucial component of that care is choosing the right oil filter. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce you to the FRAM Ultra Synthetic Automotive Replacement Oil Filter. Now, why do I call it the best oil filter for full synthetic oil? Well, let's break it down. First off, installation is a breeze with the SureGrip non-slip surface. No more slippery mess-ups during oil changes. Just screw on the new filter until the gasket reaches base contact and tighten. It's DIY friendly and hassle-free. But here's where it gets really impressive. Unlike standard oil filters, the FRAM Ultra Synthetic boasts a durable dual-layer design with pleated media that captures over 99% of dirt and exhaust particles. That means cleaner oil circulation and better engine performance. And speaking of performance, this filter goes above and beyond to protect your engine. Thanks to its silicone anti-drainback valve, you get superior startup protection with up to 3 times the hot oil resistance. Say goodbye to engine wear and tear. Now, let's talk longevity. With its high temperature resistance and advanced nitrile gasket, this filter can handle the heat and last longer on the shelf. In fact, it's proven to provide reliable protection for up to a whopping 20,000 miles. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily commuter, the FRAM Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter is the ultimate choice for maximizing engine performance and longevity. Don't settle for anything less than the best for your car. Upgrade to the FRAM Ultra Synthetic and experience the difference for yourself. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the products you love. Until next time, drive safe and happy motoring.